unstoppable vision, the strength born from stillness, the clarity shaped by discipline.
What if I told you that you could wake up tomorrow with stronger legs just by eating one food tonight? Before we begin, if you care about staying healthy, vibrant, and independent well into your golden years, please consider subscribing to our channel and clicking that little notification bell. We share in-depth practical health tips that doctors are often too busy to mention, and I don't want you to miss a single one. And I have a quick question for you, one I love to ask. Where are you watching from today? Are you in the United States, Canada, the UK, Australia, or somewhere else entirely? Please drop a comment below and let me know where you're from. It truly brightens my day to see how far this wonderful senior health community of ours reaches. Sounds unbelievable, right? But science, tradition, and personal experience are all pointing in the same direction. Is one natural, affordable, easy to find food that could start boosting circulation, restoring energy, and helping you regain strength in your legs in as little as 12 hours. Not 12 days, not 12 weeks, 12 hours. If you've been feeling weak, tired, or unsteady on your feet, if your legs feel like they've aged faster than the rest of your body, or if you simply want to walk better, move easier, and feel younger again, then you need to hear what I'm about to say. This isn't a gimmick. It's not a magic fix. It's real nutrition meeting your body at its point of greatest need. Because the truth is, our legs carry us through life. They take the weight of our daily responsibilities. They support us when we're tired. They help us rise literally and spiritually. But when circulation slows down, when muscles weaken, when inflammation sets in or nerves stop firing the way they used to, that strength starts to fade. You feel the difference. You notice that climbing stairs gets harder. Getting up from a chair takes longer. And long walks, they feel like a marathon. But here's the beautiful part. Your legs are not finished. Your body has the power to bounce back. And sometimes the key to that comeback isn't in a prescription. It's in your kitchen. That's what today's video is all about. The one food that, by science and used for centuries, that can help improve blood flow to your legs, oxygenate your muscles, and support rapid recovery from weakness or fatigue. You're going to learn what this powerful food is, how it works inside your body, why it starts working in as little as 12 hours, how to use it daily for long-term strength, and the mindset you need to turn results into real transformation. Because this isn't just about your legs, it's about your life. It's about reclaiming your independence. It's about getting up and saying, I'm not done. I've still got things to do. If you've been searching for a solution, you've been praying for something simple, something real, something that works, this is it. So grab a notebook, turn up the volume, and stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to eat, how to eat it, and how to reignite the strength that's been sleeping inside you. Let's begin the wake-up call. There comes a moment in life when your body sends you a signal, a quiet warning, a whisper that something's not right. Maybe it happens when you're climbing the stairs and suddenly feel out of breath. Maybe it's when you try to get up from a chair and your legs feel like they're made of lead. Or maybe it's just the simple act of walking across the room and you realize your legs aren't as strong as they used to be. And that realization, it hits deep because your legs represent so much more than just mobility. They represent independence, freedom, and strength. And when that strength begins to fade, it can shake your confidence. It can steal your energy. It can make you question whether your best days are behind you. And let me stop you right there. Your story is not over. You are not meant to just accept weakness. You are not here to shrink or slow down. You are here to rise. You are here to rebuild. And today I'm telling you that no matter how far you've slipped, you can come back. You don't need expensive equipment. You don't need to spend hours at the gym. You don't need to live in the past longing for the days when your body felt powerful. Because the power to change your body is still inside you. It starts with a decision. It starts with one smart move. And believe it or not, it starts with just one food. Yes, one food. That's all it takes to start the transformation. You see, the body is an amazing machine. When you feed it the right fuel, it knows how to recover. It knows how to repair. But too many people have forgotten that food is more than just calories. Food is medicine. It is fuel for your muscles. It is life for your legs. And right now your legs are calling out for help. They're asking for circulation, for strength, for energy. And the good news is you can give them exactly what they need. Don't ignore the signs your body is sending. Don't wait for it to get worse. Don't accept weakness as your new normal, because that moment you realize something was wrong, that wasn't the beginning of your downfall. That was your wake-up call. The truth is, you're one choice away from changing everything. One food, one action, one decision. So, if you're ready to feel alive again, if you're ready to walk stronger, stand taller, and move with confidence again, stay with me, because I'm about to show you how to reclaim your strength, reignite your energy, and restore your power starting today. Let's begin. The truth they don't tell you, that's what most people won't tell you. Your legs are your foundation. They are the pillars that carry you through life. They support your every step, every climb, every movement. When your legs are strong, you feel empowered, you feel in control, you feel alive. But when that strength begins to fade, so does your confidence. You start avoiding stairs. You hesitate before getting up. You feel tired more quickly, slower than you used to be, and maybe even a little helpless. But here's the truth. You don't have to accept that. Too many people assume that losing leg strength is just part of getting older. Too many people believe there's nothing they can do. But that belief, it's not only wrong, it's dangerous. Because when you believe there's no way back, you stop trying. And when you stop trying, you start declining faster than you ever imagined. But not you, not anymore. Because today, you're hearing the truth. You are not stuck, you are not helpless. And most importantly, you are not too far gone. Your body is incredibly resilient. Even if you haven't felt strong in weeks, months, or even years, your body is still capable of a comeback. And it needs something from you. It needs fuel. It needs movement. It needs you to stop waiting and start acting. And no, you don't need to flip your life upside down. You don't need a complicated routine or an expensive supplement. You just need one food, one powerful food that can make a real measurable difference in as little as 12 hours. It might sound too good to be true, but science backs it, nature proves it. And people just like you are living proof. So you see, the solution has been right in front of you the whole time. But the world is loud. It's full of noise, pills, quick fixes, false promises. They want to sell you shortcuts, but they never tell you the simple truth. Your body wants to heal. And the answer, it's not locked in a lab. It's not hidden behind a prescription pad. It's growing in the earth. It's packed with nutrients. And when you eat it, your legs start waking up again. Circulation improves, muscle fibers fire up, energy begins to return. The truth is, we've underestimated what our bodies can do when they're given the right tools. You've been told to slow down, you've been told to take it easy, but I'm here to tell you, you can turn things around. You can move better, feel stronger, and reclaim your freedom. And it starts with one food that changes everything. In the next part, I'll reveal exactly what that food is and why it works so fast. And stay with me. Your comeback is already in motion. You've waited long enough. You felt the weakness in your legs. You've lived through the frustration of not being able to move like you used to. And now it's time to introduce the one food that can help change it all in just 12 hours. So, what is this miracle food? Beets. Yes, beets. This humble root vegetable isn't just a side dish on your plate. It's a powerhouse of healing, strength, and regeneration. Now I know what you might be thinking, beets, really? But listen closely, because this is where science meets nature in the most incredible way. Beets are loaded with natural nitrates, compounds that convert into nitric oxide inside your body. And nitric oxide is like rocket fuel for your blood vessels. It opens them up, it improves blood flow, it boosts oxygen delivery to your muscles, especially your legs. When your legs are weak, one of the hidden causes is poor circulation. Your muscles aren't getting the oxygen they need. Your energy drops, your strength fades, recovery slows down, but the nitrates in beets reverse that process. They supercharge your circulation, which means your leg muscles get the fuel they need to fire back up. In fact, studies show that just one serving of beetroot juice or roasted beets can improve muscle performance within hours. Yes, hours, not weeks. Athletes around the world use beets before training to enhance performance. Older adults have used beet juice to regain stamina, reduce fatigue, and walk farther with less pain. This isn't hype, it's real science, it's real food, and it's your path to real results. Imagine waking up tomorrow with more energy in your legs. Imagine going for a walk without that heavy feeling. Imagine taking the stairs and feeling stronger, more capable, more alive. That's what this food can do. And best of all, it's natural, it's safe, and it's right there in your grocery store. You can roast them, juice them, blend them into smoothies, or slice them raw into salads. There's no wrong way to eat them. Just make sure you do, because when you give your body the right ingredients, it knows exactly what to do with them. So don't wait. Don't delay your progress one more day. Start with one serving. Start with one choice. Because this isn't just about beets. It's about believing again. It's about taking your power back. It's about fueling your body with what it needs to rise, walk, and run again. Beets are the key, but you are the engine. And now that you know the secret, the only question is, are you ready to use it? In the next part, we'll talk about how to build a simple, powerful routine around this food to get the fastest results possible. Your comeback is getting stronger by the minute. Now that you know the secret beets, it's time to talk about how to use them strategically to regain leg strength in just 12 hours. Because information is powerful, but action is where the transformation happens. Let's build a simple, effective, and natural plan you can follow starting today. This isn't about turning your life upside down. This is about supporting your legs, your energy, and your mobility with just a few smart moves. Here's what your 12-hour recovery plan looks like. Start your day with beet power. As soon as you wake up, your body is ready to absorb nutrients, so give it what it needs. Drink 1 glass of fresh beet juice or a smoothie with raw beetroot. You can blend it with apples, carrots, or a splash of lemon for flavor and extra nutrients. This kickstarts nitric oxide production, improves blood flow, and sends oxygen straight to your leg muscles. If juicing isn't your style, try roasted beets or pickled beets with your breakfast. Hydrate like it matters, because it does. Beets are rich in natural compounds, but they work best when your bloodstream is hydrated and flowing freely. So aim to drink water regularly throughout the day. Gentle movement equals activation. 10 minutes of light leg activation, such as slow leg lifts, gentle squats, or simply walking around your home with intention, will open your blood vessels wider and engage muscles faster. Eat a beet-boosted lunch or snack to keep nitrate levels high. Rest and let the healing happen. Trust the process. Beets reduce inflammation, relax blood vessels, and allow muscles to breathe. Within 12 hours, many people report lighter legs, better endurance, improved balance, and better sleep. From here, short-term results turn into long-term strength by consistency. Keep beets in your routine, strengthen through movement, eat for circulation and recovery, track progress, and celebrate wins. Replace limiting beliefs with power statements. Visualize movement, not pain. Accept the journey. Make strength your identity. You now have the food, the plan, and the mindset. This is not just a 12-hour fix. This is the beginning of a stronger, freer, more confident you. You were not designed to live in defeat. You were created for movement, purpose, and freedom. Today is your turning point. Start now. Eat the food. Move with intention. Speak power to yourself. Stay consistent, because your legs are not weak. They are waiting for you to believe again. Your body is not broken. You are one choice away from walking in strength again. Start today, because your comeback starts now.